Buya mono na indo mwanchi umurigereri bono ekero koro kwegena kwa nemna no genderete kwegokia aso kubwatia emiroberi yonsi yeritkoria rero ime ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo Gusii cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona magoroba ngo kwarigana SMS Amayia ngo manyena rayana kwariganairie asenchera ere eyo bwenge nabona namanga genderete gokoreka na imense ya Kenya ekero bono murai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto omokonyo yarigathi gashawa igatia baraibande bagenderete netaro yabo ase orogongo rwa Western ya Soeritkoria gatano awaseritkoria rero bagenderete no musangirikano bw'umuyega bwo kwigora industrial park asensemo ya Likuyani imeye county yo ya Kakamega ngo kwariga ningomanya senchera ere yo bwenge nyora sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube botonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News na sumutandao Twitter na bagotwitwetera @Ndizi TV News ere togendrego sanga na boigo kwemanya manke. John Kebatinero kwene kiachibicha neriogi chiawe keira senchra ya bene na sensemo imanyerero nigo tokubwaterana na Joshua Auta iretariane Everline Osero sanga na intwe goika omwerio ko kwariga nto yachaka senchra ya bene kurwase county ya Kisii awase amateyemo kurwase kenyorokia Bunyando matongo wodi ya Bugyakumu ebunke ya Bonchari egendrete kobara asara enene yabetege koretwa nembure nyinke yo ya negetwe abori tkuregoro asiabete ge kwa busakere gento korwase omugondobo nabono nigo amateyo ya Justin Nyambeki ya rurokoboria ochiase serikali ya county ya Kisii korosia drainage yuere ase para yako pare korwa Nyamareko gochia ekebuse
njegaki asa marieta ne nkoro ku Justin Nyambeki yaigane kenyoro kya Bunyando ipare ye kera ya ipare ye nabo yarenge buyarende mbuya yarenge njakairire mugoko mugondo bone kera bachete kera ipare ye nandi bachete kuirorera kubeka omoromu nimbore tio muntu bwo omoromu ngamatenga kigaki omugoko okorukoru moino ochonda gochi mugondo ngaki ngokora muntu bwo omoromu agantebi ngaki nayurare bone ncherura nyotange nka omuntu ekondo nandi nje no muntu nkwerigeri nkonda nakora nje chikondo nanyora lakini nga omuntu ekonda akandimira maigo mugokoyo akandimira ngatigante eme kunyatanga tagenda mangate karandimira gaiga kumbe bano mugokoyo oruete korumoino bwensi muno gocha ukaba omonge na boso ate maiga lakini ando ugatagora ugaka bano kuchimata abugoro ugaka bwensi kuchimata abu nande konya nakomeire kakibona bituma mbiri mugondo ebituma bikagenda pi na marabatayo wane gento gyo gukumi ninteba ngakanko nyubuyo n'ekibando maraborota yo mugondo bone ensinyire
epare ye yabera matuka mange tanya kuremwa lakini yale metuka tokabekirwa mola mtu agogete sana nakibone shida ne drainage cia outlet nchibekira separe ye ciagere bone ga twabera affected ya somugondo yega twabete gotoko komera tukagure embusuro tukagure obuyo murocho obuyo asibore murocho ase bituma bire bono iga lakini muna to kwana iga boyo mboyo mugondo marabata yo mugondo igoto kumeti
kubwatkana nebrukane yabetege koene kiwa ase obochori wekemeriye kawa ase factory ya Bisembe yotoka se ebunke ya Nokmurango ye county ya Nyamira chitariki inye chumutinyo yega ogatano na gatato ekairera ogoskiwa abosio ase gatie birogo nigo bono bochori obwo bwababokwiranirwa ase location ya Bunyakoni obwari na boigo kya Bonyoru asensemo ya Bunyakoni nigo mubui aba Kario moyo oyonyora chikura chiminye emeronko 5 neyemo kobwatiwa na Francis Ndubi oyonyora chikura chimibere emeronko 4 neyemo asense moyo bwari Stanley Nchumu nere obaga kobo mubui ne chikura chimibere emeronko 5 nomo kobwatiwa na David Getare oyonyora chikura emiyemo emeronko 5 nomo neyemo na Justus Moma nero chorwa kwamireriwa botayo asense mo ya ya kiabonyoru bosi abachorwa nigo bari iraje guchekorwa obokoreri boroboronge anene boko ene kiabuna aikibesa chiabere chi komentwa ase kemeri yekawa asibate baigoni bagocha kwenekia obwasyo kubwabere bokorekana asobokoreri bwa obolemi bwekawa nabo igo ase chikura ichirabe chiwakwa asa matukari bosyo
6, 77, 78, 79, 80.
311. Zakaria Nyanga 329.
Igemere mutoko kwa nemiya na kia bali mibaito barorere ngasiri tukeriga na ndebatoiranie togendera ndi gokora emirime yeremiya tobaretera kibesa kingiya bairira abana baitu chisukuru egere toche gokonyeka abana baitu bakonyeke na kikiagira bali mibaito ngobana ngambia mona sengencho yobuya bwino mwarorire mwangiraniria asiri tukeri na ndi njikogenderie kirokeri kenu kyo buturesare onya ba minto bagwanja gokenga
ase iga bali miba minto na baire nerimbu ya mono na ende nigona ari ko baliere iranga ningenderere ko ba mona bali miba minto botambe kubuga mono ninteme koruanirira obo ogwakanu okuya gwe mushara
ombange tokola bali miegasi engiya egasi ende tabwati ya obisi egasi enya sioku egokora egasi abana bagitangene egasi na joro ngokora yes
no morogerie kabiro yo na ende togani chikura kiracha magana murorongo asire obosoku ngwamba bore koba barete gendo gikoro
nekero chiskuru chiabeire chikoigora ase tamu ya gatatu kurengana ne kalenda ya masomo yo mwako yegani go mwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu abeire ga kwenekeria abaibori abuna school fees ya skuru chi secondary teri gochi ya komenta enga ya kwana ase skuru ya bamura ya Kakamega chinga kyarenge kwarigania chitimu chiri chiabete chikogenda kogosoria ase chigosori chi skuru ase ensemo ya Rwanda ningo mona baga kuruge kurege tindi gochiase abaro kyabanene b'ekikuru na tano ndi bwensi orache konyorekanaga komenta chibesa chitabweneretia saba ibori nigarachi koimukerigwa egetamukire getinde.
No one is actually increasing fees, particularly for secondary schools, because the amount set by government is the amount that parents would be expected to pay. And for national schools, the amount that is supposed to be paid is 53,000 Kenya shillings per year. So no principal, no board of school management is supposed to inflate or increase even a single cent out of the amount that has been set, because we do realize that parents are also undergoing a lot of economic hardships, and therefore the figure which is set by government is the figure that must be paid, and no extra levy is supposed to be paid by anybody. And any principal or any teacher found demanding extra amounts from the parents, the necessary disciplinary action will be taken.
Egatia barai bech kanisa nigo bairo koboko engana yoko nenki wa wech kanisa na boigo abateneneri bech kanisa askere batere na ekyoyoka na kyo kerarongeye obo koreri bwa gusemero berio yedin ime yense ya Kenya okwa na chinga ki chogo cha kia kwobora iboko unengi ya chikanisa muroberio korekana ime yomocho Nairobi akora wa no mwaskafu monene bwe kanisa ye Anglican Joseph Olesapit amo no mori kyo monene bwabomo bw'eki kanisa Isaac Mwangi nigo batere na abantu abange barokanire bakwebisa imeye kanisa gokora amangana atawenereti nomusangirekano boigo obago goikiranwa nabo bisa korwase kyombe kya Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission nabo igo abawaki karabagendrete gukwanira engana yoko unenkia chikanisa eliyo bokoreri obuyakwenekiwa ase chidini.
We have those people who call themselves pastors, and they are not. They are false prophets. We have false apostles. We have all of them. They are there. They are in the Bible. They will always be there. But right now, we can have guidelines of how we can contain the spirit that they are moving in and doing evil things in the nation. Because right now, each and every one of us, if I mess, even Bishop Oginde, my senior here, he's also in the same mess. So we must rectify this.
Where we go from here is we first implement. We get the various churches and umbrella organizations to sign to the code and start implementation. Sabika Trust has made a commitment that as we wear the shoes and see where maybe there is a bit of pinching, there will be other future versions of the code of conduct. It will be developed further so that it can fully accommodate the diversity of the church.
So we must avail ourselves to the possibility that in my freedom, I could cross the boundaries. And when we come together, my brother can point out that now I'm going off the edge. So let's submit ourselves to each other so that we can be our brothers and our sisters' keepers. So that this code of conduct is not a weapon, but it is a point of discussion.
Ababwatani boborendi korwa Sech County bere county ya Uasin Gishu na waigo county ya Nakuru bakora wana ba county commissioner bet county ya Chibere nigo basangirekana ime umucho Nakuru iriogo kwanera amangana arengete oborendi no musangirekano owariganirie ne kiombeke mogetari ya serikali ekyo kimanyikanite buna midrift asekerenga ya koreta obwamate na boigo oborendi anena sense mo yobonchoreria asoko bwaterana egati yaba usabo oborendi.
So leo tumekongamana hapa na madhumuni kubwa sana ya kukongamana hapa ni kuwa na mazungumzo na business community. Hasa tunaangalia their role kwa mambo ya peace and security. Tukinarrow down kabisa tunateremuka kwa mazungumzo kati ya traders na wale enforcement officers. Na mara nyingi sana unapata ya kwamba kumekuwa na taswishi kubwa sana kati ya enforcement officers, wale tunasema ni kanjo, na traders hapa nchini. Na hapa Nakuru haijawachwa nyuma kwa sababu haya ni mambo ambayo tumeona yakifanyika. Basi madhumuni kubwa sana ni kuangalia jinsi ambapo tutaanza mazungumzo, okay, kuhakikisha ya kwamba wale traders na enforcement officers wako na uhusiano ambayo ni mwafaka, uhusiano ambao ni bora zaidi wakati ambapo wanatekeleza wajibu wao. Sasa hiyo ndio maana tuko hapa siku ya leo na tuko na maafisa wengi sana ambao wamefika hapa. Najua utapata kuzungumza na bwana county commissioner pia yuko hapa. Wao pia wamekuja kwa sababu hii mazungumzo sio mazungumzo ya midrift na traders peke yake, ni mazungumzo ya watu wote na tunasema ni multi-sectoral, okay, engagement forum ambapo tunakuja tunapata kuzungumza jinsi ambazo tunaweza fanya business environment iwe safer zaidi kwa watu wote pale.
Leo tuko hapa tukishirikiana na business community na officers wetu wa County Security Committee kwa kikao hiki ambacho kimeandaliwa na Midlift. Midlift ni shirika la human rights, linafanya kazi pamoja na jamii thabiti wakiwa ina program ambayo iko funded na Reinvent.
Abaremi korwa se county ya Busiani go babori we kobeko mokiabu go smeka ebimeri ebyo bikageire koba ebyengencho enene ebyo boigo birakonye ase okoreta obwaita yani gago chama tukamake magega yomo waziri bwobonchoreria Moses Kuria akoigora echiro enene yobonchoreria ase ensemo ya Matayos imeye county yo ya Busia asbono abaremi babori we gotumeka libagerio na gokinia obonchoreria anena so gotumeka Chief Factory echo chabere chikorosiwa ime ye county ya Busia.
Itafika mahali njugu itakuwa inaletwa kutoka Uganda, kutoka Bungoma, kutoka Siaya, kutoka Trans Nzoia, inakuja hapa na sisi wenyewe hatulimi njugu ya kutosha. Lakini kufaidika ni lazima mipango, ni lazima mikakati, ni lazima bidii. Hapa kutakuja wengine ambao pia wanataka kunufaika na hii factory yetu. Miaka mingi sisi watu wa Busia tumekuwa tukilalamika, hatuna viwanda, hatuna manufaa kwa serikali, hatuna mambo haya. Leo hii tumeletewa viwanda. Hebu sasa muniangalie kwa uso, muniambie tutafaidika ama tutalalamika.
Engana yoburai imeye county ya Kiambu no kubwaterana kumugava County yo Kimani wa Matangi gati ya baraibande nigagendrete koreta riberera ekyo kairete aba MCA korwa senseme yo kogosereria kumurusia bisi askeri aba hotel ataganĩtie gũikerania obokoreri abuna ebwenerete bwokoreta amagendero ase county eyo ning'ana boigo yabirege kwegwo koboko no mubunge Ogatundo South Gabriel Kagombe oyobeire gakomomochia wa matangi asagoteba buna nokugania kwemigeria enibo kurwa serikali eyo rengete koreta amagendero ase county eyo nigate irona tibari gochiwanja aweka wa matangi obeire gagoikaransambo nabarai na koigwana kubeke meroberio ebwenerete yokobwaterana koreta amagendero asabananchi.
You know, leadership is a responsibility that is shared, and even the levels of government that we have as the central government and the devolved government have a way of working together. So what I have seen with the MCAs in Kiambu is dissatisfaction with the leadership of the governor. And the governor cannot rule or lead the country or the county alone. He has to do it with the people who are overseeing him. And the people overseeing him are the MCAs. And that is their role. If they think that he's not doing what he should do, then it is upon them to really execute their mandates and send him home if they must. Then there will be the Senate that will make the other decisions. And I know Senate is ready and waiting to make a proper verdict that is based purely on law and no vendetta. But I want to say this. We cannot institutionalize corruption. And simply because we have counties and you're in charge of a county does not give you the power to take people's money and misuse it. That is why we have oversight. And you cannot say that people will not oversight you because you are governor. No, you're elected by those, and those MCAs, by the way, were also elected by the same people who elected you.
Omorugi bw'omukonyi bw'omurai bwense Pastor Dorcas Geshawa nigagenderete korwesege togochiase abananchi kobwaterana asogotoria abasae korwase obotumeki bw'ebinyuwa by'ogotindya yaniga yakwanira nene chinga kyagenderetie omuroberio yo ase chinsemo ao obwokorwa obosemia na gotoria abasae korwase obotumeki obwo bw'amariogo y'ogotindya naritkoria rero Pastor Dorcas Geshawa nigabaka gochakia omusangirekano bene bwokorwa obosemia uchasa abasa.
The future of our nation is the greatest gift we have in our hands, the gift of our children, a gift that should be good, a gift that should be valuable, a gift that should be treasured by all, and a gift that should warm our hearts. It is a gift that must be appreciated, and the gift of the boy child is one of the greatest because he's the seed carrier and the one who will see the future of any tribe, the future of any clan, the future of any community and society and the nation. It lies in the people you see who are sitting here, and we cannot afford not to take care of our future. For what kind of a country would ignore such a gift? What kind of a country would ignore the greatest potential, the economic driver who is in a comatose or he's sleeping, and if you were to wake them up, you will find that the economy would thrive. It is our collective responsibility as a people to reflect on the future we want, on the future we have at hand, and it is the people you see sitting in front of you. A strong boy and a strong girl and a strong man and a strong woman, it is the future for our nation.
Omario bwa Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yobenge mbia mana sogochora kobananje na bartu abwatirana kwene kyawe ikere na barabonko bakiranga mbia mono kurinde inyora na ayamona enda manka asenchera yobwekirano nochiko yanyorekerera arage ense yamono boigo Chinsa isato chamogoroba nere Vincent Onyancha yendra kubwate miroberions ya Ndizi TV asense moya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube Ndizi TV News na so mutandao Twitter na bogo Twitter @Ndizi TV News yerotogendrego sanga na boigo mania amanke John Kebati nero ene kiachibichanerio gichawe keire na boigo Joshua Auta korwa sensemo yebimanyerio na nchere tariane Everline Osero twaro burigere borobia na boigo emagoroba irentoerero.